I'm Siri, and I'm an educator here at the Bakken Museum. Today, I'm here to combine two of my favorite things, art and robots, to create an art-making robot. First, we'll need to gather our materials. We'll need a pool noodle, a few markers, some rubber bands, a letter opener, an electric toothbrush, a piece of paper, some decorations, and a can-do attitude. Step 2. Use the letter opener to cut a 4-inch long piece of the pool noodle. Step 3. Remove the top of the electric toothbrush so only the battery section remains. Turn it on and place it in the center of the pool noodle. Step 4. Use the rubber bands to hold the markers to the surface of the pool noodle. Step 5. Decorate your robot so it looks as cool as you are. Step 6. Place your robot on your piece of paper and watch as it creates its art. Step 7. Celebrate with your new best friend by doing your science dance. Come join us at the Bakken Museum for more cool experiments.